What's up, Guru Gang? It's your girl, the Natural Guru here, back with another video. And today's video is going to be a home renovation vlog or a home makeover vlog. So let's get into it. He wants to do something new and different, and basically he wants to do, what's it called, babe? An accent wall. So we've been shopping at Home Goods and stuff. Basically what we're going to do is paint this wall. I don't know what color this is. What color is it called? This is the container, and if it's the focus, that is the color. So that is what this wall is going to be. He has a couple of swatches on this wall. It's the color of the accent wall. And here was his original swatches. This is the other color he was gonna go with, but he decided to go with that color. And this is his basic, basically the wall he wants to paint. So we're about to take all of this down. He's gonna get a new table. We're gonna go search for one tomorrow, probably. What you think, babe? He don't know what he wants yet, so.
I changed a lot of stuff out because all this baby gotta go.
He's basically changing from blue to whatever this color is. Again, I will let y'all know. He has yellow accent chairs. If y'all want to know what these chairs are from, they are from Walmart. They're about $400 to $500. This was $400, right?
It was like 3 or 4 something. That chair was 2 something.
And this chair was 2 something. He brought them at separate times.
How many times do I have to tell you? Masego done killed the game. Medicine. Bro, ain't nobody sick no more. You done gave him the medicine with that beat. And then the jink at the end with the trap scatting. Ooh, that's gonna pop. When this pink polo dropped though, when that EP hits the enters of net, people gonna be spazzing like Mr. Crocker off Fairly Odd Parents. Son, I'm telling you this. Pink polo.
Okay, y'all, so this is the paint he got. Valspar, or however you pronounce it. It is interior paint and primer. I believe this was the $24.99 one. Again, if you didn't see the before clip, if it focused, that is the color.
She don't play, and she my type, she got brains, and them ta-ta, she that lady, she gon' dance, ain't gon' touch her phone, she gon' let it smoke, man, she don't play, and she my type, she got brains, and them ta-ta, she that lady, she gon' dance, ain't gon' touch her phone, she gon' let it smoke, man, girls that dance, know how to move, not just they friends, but with my dudes, cause you look so fly, and you look so cute, can I make you mine? What you wanna do? Yeah. She don't play and she my type, she got brains and I'm top, she that lady. She gon' dance, ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' live this moment. She don't play and she my type, she got brains and I'm top, she that lady. She gon' dance, ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' live this moment. I like girls that dance, ain't had a move, not just stay friends. But with my dude, and you look so fly, and you look so cute. Can I make you mine? What you wanna do? She got them ta 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 ta. I like that. I didn't got that one. Nah, we're different. Sweet baby, da 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 da. Sweet da, scap, da da, baby, zip, da da, bit bit, da da, baby. I like girls that dance. Them girls that dance. They got to move, not just stay friends. But with my dude.
car. What do you think, babe, about
I
your
think it
wall?
looks pretty good. Hopefully it looks better when I put all the stuff on there. I only got 2 things to put on there, but
We're gonna wait until the rest of the wall dry, so then we can edge it all up there. But for right now, we're about to take a break because this was a lot of work. And he has textured walls, so you know you have to get into every nook and cranny. So it didn't take that long, but yeah, this is how it's looking. This is how the color is showing up, you guys. Cricket, more to the left, more to the right, a little bit to the left. Took so long. Yeah, so them took a long time. And for some reason, my battery's about to go dead. Jesus Christ, at this point. So, this is the rug. I don't know if I showed it to you in the Home Goods, but this is the rug he got from Home Goods. Very much better quality than the other rug he got. I forgot, he probably got it from Amazon for like $30. Like, this rug is so soft, and do you see all of the different colors in it and stuff. So, we did put that up. I did not record it because my camera did go dead. This is how the paintings are looking. They look good on camera, but in person, I just feel like they just a little bit creaky. But that's okay. So, this is the couch. We're going to fix this up too. He wants his plant to go right there, in which I agree because it's like dimension. Like, this corner is like a great corner to take a picture in. And in there, it was $60, and it has a plug-in and the other thing to plug your stuff in, USB. So very much, you know, nice. So yeah, with the everything together. How are you liking that?
It's fine.
I like it.
Yeah,
Put the plants up there on the wall. I'm going to do an overview once we get the table in here and just show y'all the things that we've changed. So, he did put his lamp back right here, which I felt like was, like, it just makes the green pop out right here. Put up his plant and oil things up there. I think he got those from Target. That candle up there he got from Home Goods. And that little thing that got the greenery in it is, I believe, is from Joanna Gaines' line.
Target.
From Target.
With the stick that came from Them things hanging out that paint.
Yeah, so that brown thing over there, that came from Home Goods. I don't know if I got it on there, but it did come from Home Goods. Okay, both paintings came from Home Goods. The green one came from the Home Goods here in Alabama, and the one with the brown, the bigger one, came from the Home Goods in Atlanta. This rug again came from Home Goods for $199.99. Yeah, and I think this table, when did this table come from? Walmart. This table came from Walmart. So that's what we're at right now, y'all. So hopefully we're almost done. As y'all can see, I look really crazy, but today has been a very long day. My feet hurt, and yeah, I'll get back with you. Actually, he's gonna finish this, and then I'm just gonna give y'all an overview of the whole room. I already explained to y'all where everything is from. So, yeah.
She don't play, and she my type. She got brains, and them tatas. She that lady, she gon' dance. Ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' let it smoke, man. She don't play, and she my type. She got brains, and them tatas. She that lady, she gon' dance. Ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' let it smoke, man. Girls that dance, know how to move. Not just they friends, but with my dudes. Cause you look so fly, and you look so cute. Can I make you mine? What you wanna do? Yeah. She don't play, and she my type. She got brains, and I'm top that. She that lady. She gon' dance, ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' live this moment. She don't play, and she my type. She got brains, and I'm top that. She that lady. She gon' dance, ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' live this moment. I got girls that dance, ain't had a move, not just they friends, but with my dudes. And you look so fly, and you look so cute. Can I make you mine? What you wanna do?
So this is the final look, you guys. How do you feel about your space, babe?
I like it. I got some work to do still.
This looks so much better grown. This is him. If y'all know him, this is him. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please continue to stay tuned for all the updates we're going to do to his apartment and my new apartment I'm moving in really soon. Alright, say bye to the camera, babe. Oh, I didn't show y'all Gary. This is his plant he's had for a year now, and he is prospering. Very nice.